Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the headlight height on your XPeng vehicle. So I am using the XPeng P7 Performance, and now what are we going to do is we're going to go over into our vehicle settings. Here we're going to go to lights, and in the lights we have the headlight settings. So here we have four options. We can put the low 3, mid-low 2, mid-high 1, and high 0. So here we can easily, for example, click on high 1, and as you guys can see, it will be applied automatically. You can also change the headlight control, so what headlights you're using right now. And that's basically it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.